It's your girl Lily. Today I'm playing 99 Nights with a bunch of random people. So, we'll see what happens and we'll see if we'll survive. We're just gonna, get the fire going. Everyone else went exploring, it looks like, so. I'm going to be, the food gatherer, apparently. I would like to attempt. Hey, I want to plant this. I'd like to attempt to, survive, hopefully. I'm going to get the fire to level 3, and then I'm gonna go exploring because well, I can. Okay. At least there's someone helping now. I guess we're just gonna cut down this tree and then we'll go exploring because I know that there's a chest around here somewhere. Night is approaching. Never mind. We're gonna do it in the morning. Yeah, this is so fun. We have a sack of carrots. Oh, and a meat. There's a dumpster with nothing in it. Okay, that's sad. Oh, the monster's right there. I'm gonna die. Sorry. Guys. We have to find the kid. Okay. I'll tell you where he's not. He's not over there. Oh. I didn't know you gave me the backstory. In the morning. I'm gonna follow this guy because I think he knows where he's going, so. Well, let's go. Is chili peppers? These are new. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. Whee! Wait a minute. Whee! Oh, that's fun. That's really fun. Guys. Oh, we're gonna die. Nope. Ooh, a chest. Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking die. I found the kid. I'm about to die, you little shit. Nobody cares about the goddamn kid. Okay, so go get it. The peppers are fun. If my dude dies, we're gonna have a problem. Okay, where's the kid at? Oh, Ambro has the gun. Oh my god. Bruh. Well. This was fun. And if they don't revive me, fingers crossed they will. Okay, we're gonna get revived. We're gonna get revived. Okay. Okay. During the morning. Okay. Okay, nice. Nice. So it's now the next morning, and I've been waiting for some time, and nobody has come to revive me, so I just asked again, and we're gonna wait some more. Oh, somebody's here. Okay. Excuse me? I'm gonna crash out. Okay? Come revive me. No! Oh my god. You know what? We're gonna go play a different round. Fuck this. Fuck this. Fuck these people. We're gonna play a different round. Okay, so now we are in a new round with 2 other girls, so hopefully this goes, a little bit better. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Ooh, coal. Bruh, I haven't even been hitting this tree the entire time. Oh my god. Yay. And he's drowning itself again. Yes, a rabbit's foot. We're gonna hide the rabbit's foot. We're gonna save it for tomorrow. But I'm gonna go get this chest over here. Oh, I hate wolves. If the wolf comes in, I'm gonna crash out. Oh, yes. A good sack. We're gonna take, furniture. Okay. We're going to do this. Then we're going to do this. And then, well, we're gonna do this. We're gonna take the map. We're gonna do that. And then we're gonna place it right in front of the thing. Bye-bye. Is it just the two of us now? Yep. Yep. I don't know why we're jumping, but I guess we're jumping. I'm too scared of the polar bear to go over there. So we're not gonna do that. We're gonna get, this. Good axe. Wolf pelt, ooh. Food. We're gonna go see if we can get scraps. Scraps, yep. That's what I'm trying to say. Like some metal, so then we can make a sundial. Oh, nope. Not today, not today. Ooh, more buildings. Ammo, I guess. Yes. Don't mind if I do. Oh, wait, this place is kind of cute. It's got a bunch of rabbits. Ooh, yeah. Just have a bunch of ammo. Okay, and now we need to run off. I'm being chain star high. Yep. scary. Oh my god. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Let's make a sundial and this, because I think that's gonna come in handy. I don't know why I dropped that. Now we have time. And I'm gonna go see what's over here. Ooh, a chest. Another good sack. Oh. We're gonna now go over to this place over here. Oh, I didn't mean to eat it. Keep meaning to eat this or these. Oh. When did this happen? Okay. I guess they ended up coming back. Okay. I guess we need to get bandages for this person. Something mysterious flies above us. What the hell? There's UFOs now? Oh my god. %. One more tree. The kid has been missing for a while now, so yeah. I know where he is, so like... Oh my god. Oh, I guess they left again. You know what? We're gonna go this way. You're joking. the fuck did you stumble upon? What the hell? Oh my god, it figured out how to climb stairs. That's creepy. Oh my god. Ooh, I'm about to fucking die. Oh my god, of course we're gonna get attacked tonight. Am I killing it? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye.